GROK 4.3 is out, but
Right, but we can access it with a free AI tool.
exactly. Let me show you how.
AI, right? Trust me, you can get everything you want in this website. Can get your prompt, can generate your video. It's gonna bring you to this interface. First of all, we need to log in. I'll click here to log in with Google. So after you are done logging in, so let me click here to go back. You've seen this other option here when you want a new chat. This is a leaderboard and this is the search bar. So we'll be coming here to the chat first. Remember I told you that you can actually use this website to get in your prompt, paste in your image, and it's going to give you what you want. You can actually upload a file like the same way you did on ChatGPT. So when you click on the text option, you are going to be seeing all of this: Claude, Opus, Gemini 3.1, Claude, this and that. Okay, so many person just use this for their research and they don't know that this website can actually do more than what they think. Come to this battle mode, you have options there. You have battle 2 anonymous model. This is when you actually compare two models together. We have agent mode, we have side by side, we have direct. So the most one we are going to be working with is direct, but first of all let's test this comparison of two models together. So let's click on that. So when you come here, let's say I want to paste in my prompt for an image, and let's click on that here to select what I want. So for here I need an image. So when you click image, so all the model you are going to be seeing here is for image generation. So I will be clicking here GROK image quality. So you can actually select your preferred model, Architect AI Studio. So you click here to download it to your phone or to your PC. So what if I said this actually compared two models together, and when you come here you see what model that creates this image. Okay, let's where to check it. So when you come here, I can say both are good. Okay, so that is that for that. So when you come here, you'll be able to see what model created this image and what model created this. So I'll see come here. So if you want to pick the one you want, you can actually come right here and choose. So this one is how you can compare two models together side by side. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So when you come here, I'll be able to click here to choose my preferred model. All right, so let's click on image because we want to generate an image. I'm going to click on GROK imagine quality. Then I'll come here and click on ChatGPT image. So this is what I want to be creating: two people sitting in a studio with microphone facing each of them as having a podcast. So let's try this and see what this different models is going to give us for our image. I'm going to be posting this and resume later. Alright, so this is this one here. GROK Imagine has actually given us our image. Have you seen how clean this is? Oh my god, like I can't get off this. So let's come here to go back. So let's wait for GPT image. Wow, amazing. I think I need to go with this because I love how all of them is amazing, guys. All of them is amazing, and trust me, you can actually bring in a thumbnail here and you tell ChatGPT, okay, I say generate a YouTube thumbnail on how to use Minimax audio AI. So let's see the magic here. Let's see what we are going to be getting. All right, so let me click here to scroll down. Let's click here to scroll down. Okay. Okay. This is amazing. All right, this is amazing. This is amazing. So this one is just a simple text. So for generating video, the best model for you to use is direct. Trust me, it's amazing. So when you come here, if you have a file that you want to create, you can click here. So for here, I'll be clicking here to max. So for here, I'm going to be clicking code. So when you come here, you are going to be selecting the model you want. I'll just go ahead and type GROK 4.3. Can you see that? So I'll go ahead and click on that. So when you click there, I'm going to paste in the one for the game. You can see describe the website or game you want to build. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the prompt. After pasting the prompt, so I'll click here for it to code this prompt for me, for us to be able to use it to generate our build our game. So let's wait and see the magic. Alright. So guys, this is our game. For some reason this is lagging. If you want to pause, you click here to pause. So for me, I'll just go ahead and click here to download it. So it's saying that we are going to be downloading this as a zip file, but let's just click here to hit the download button. So this is the game. If I want to resume, I click. If I want next shot, I'll click here. I don't know why this game is lagging. All right, so another thing we want to be doing right here, I'll just go ahead to my WhatsApp. We want to build a website. So this is a prompt for building a website. So I'll come right back here and I'm going to be clicking here to paste in my prompts. Okay, so if you want to follow you want to ask for a follow up, this is where you click. So I'm going to come here to click on a new chat. All right, so let's click on a new chat here. So when I click on a new chat, I don't know why my system is lagging, guys. So let's click on a new chat. Oh my word. All right, so let's build a website since my oh god. All right, so it has actually brought us here. Let's click here to paste in our prompt and let's click here. So I will need it in 3D special. So let's click here to build our website. I will be posting this resume later. I told AI to actually build a website for my channel. All right, so just like GROK AI interface, Quen AI, Digent AI, Hello AI, Dreamface, all of those AI too. When you go to their interface, you're going to be seeing the features, you're going to be seeing the demo. So when you come here, this is the feature that you'll be seeing if I actually launch this website. Can you see that? Okay. Hey, this is just so amazing. You come here to demo, you come to the pricing aspect. So this is how, like just like other AI too, that you go and you'll be seeing the price and all of that. Question and answer, how do I generate a AI realistic voice? All right, so if you want to log in, you click here to log in. So I can't actually, okay, let's click on get started. So I can't click to log in because it's actually a website. This is just an interface of what it will look like if I actually launch it. All right, so let's scroll down. Let's come here to the feature. So these are the features of my website. We have AI video generator, AI voice studio, AI image. Wow, amazing. All right, so if you want to generate video, you click here. I can't do anything here because it's just a design of how my website would look like based on the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. This is where I click to upload my voice. This is where I click to upload my images, and if someone wants to subscribe, the person can subscribe. All right, so how cool is that? So what we need to do is actually to animate this image. All right, so I've told you how to generate your thumbnail and also how to animate this image. So what I will do right here is just to come right here and click on image. So when you click on that, you click on continue. So when you click on that continue, you come here and click on generate videos. So here you'll be asked to describe what you want. So if I have an image already that I want to use to generate my video, I'll just click here to bring it in. This two character should have a podcast. Okay guys, here is the thing. This website is going to create 2 videos for you to choose the one that best suits you. So let's play the first video and see.
GROK 4.3 is out, but it's not on XAI's main site yet.
Right, but we can access it with a free AI tool.
Exactly. Let me show you how.
Perfect. Let's try it.
Okay, how cool is that? So I think I prefer this.
So
one.
GROK 4.3 just...
No, I don't like this one. So I will go with this one. So I'll just come and click here to download it to my phone. Alright, so I want to tell this website to create a logo using create a video using GROK, and trust me, this generate a video up to 13 seconds. That's cool. If you don't need it, you can actually click here to retry, and it's going to be giving you a perfect video. So let's try this other one and see what we will be getting. Let's pause this and resume. Alright guys, so let's play this and see how amazing, how cool is that. I would say A is better because I love this A more than this B. Can you see that? Alright, let's go.